Hello everyone. Today I'm working on an 18 Ford Escape. This shoulder belt won't retract back into position. It stays pulled out. So I'm going to put a new seatbelt pretensioner in it. I believe that's what Ford's calling this. So we'll start by sliding the seat forward, moving the backrest forward, pulling this weather strip out, getting it out of the way. Just laying it off to the side. And then we'll use my trim stick. We'll pop these little push clips up for this scuff plate trim panel. Just pry it up. And it's kind of trapped by the seat trim, so just slide it out. Then we'll remove the back door weather strip. Just position it out of the way. And this lower back scuff trim plate, do the same thing. Just pop straight up. Lay this off to the side. And this B-pillar lower trim panel, pry this out. Just pull straight out. There's one lower clip in the bottom. Unsnap that. Pull the lower trim, B-pillar trim panel out. There's a push pin on the seat belt. We'll remove that and slide the shield up. Then pull the bolt for the pretensioner. Next we'll pull the electrical connector for the pretensioner. All these airbag connectors have they're like a square tab. Take a pick and you pop it up, and then you can pull the connector out. Now Ford wants you to, they call it proving out the airbag system. Essentially you just turn the key on, make sure the airbag light comes on for a few seconds and then shuts back off. If it doesn't stay on or doesn't flash, there's no problem, and you can work on the airbag system without disconnecting the battery. So this upper B-pillar trim panel, there's a bolt. Pull the bolt and it snaps out. And the top retainers, you're going to slide this trim panel straight back, not pull out. It will slide back. You have to get a really good tug to release it. And then you can pull that out, and you can see there's two slots where it slides backwards. We'll pull the seat belt out, fish the pretensioner out. Remove the upper bolt. Pull the lower bolt for the retractor. And the same thing on this airbag connector. There's a tab. Pop it straight out, and then you can pull the connector out. Make sure the part's correct. Lay them next to each other. There's the part number on this driver's side pretensioner. And we're going to reverse the procedure for install.